Hello. Welcome to NEXUS OFS. I am here to provide guidance on the Well Integrity Operating Limits Calculation project. This guided project is particularly beneficial for professionals involved in well drilling, completion, intervention, and production. You will receive comprehensive instructions on determining well operating limits. A well is made up of several elements. Each element has its own design and limits. To avoid a major HSE incident, well engineers must identify potential forces and find the failure point for each barrier part. The weakest part will set the operating limit. This project will guide you in identifying forces and doing the necessary calculations. Understanding annulus operating limits is crucial in the oil and gas industry. Standards like API, NORSOC, and ISO emphasize this. Exceeding annulus pressures can cause catastrophic incidents. Major companies recognized this early and implemented measures to reduce the risk. To manage well integrity, it is crucial to keep annulus pressures within set limits. Companies use different terms for this. You might hear MOESP, which means Maximum Operating Annulus Surface Pressure, or SOL, which stands for Safe Operating Limit. Each company might use its own terms. We will use the terminology suggested by NORSOC D10, which defines SOL as Safe Operating Limit and SDL as Safe Design Limit. Let's have a look to this specific well example. In this chart, we have A annulus pressure over the time. Pressure was stable for a while, but at some point we can observe a pressure increase. Then pressure was reduced to avoid it increasing further. What is a limit at which pressure should not exceeded, and at what is point at which we are expecting a failure well barrier element? At the end of this project, you will be able to calculate the well safe design and safe operating limits for any well. You will be able to predict which well barrier element is most likely to fail in the given pressures. As a bonus, we will share with you industry well integrity failure scenarios which resulted from annulus pressure increase and our recommended practices to avoid such incidents. These important well engineering skills will help you to prevent costly mistakes that risk lives.